Hey everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So, thanks to all the persistency of all our Bullion Now family and Brett as well, finally, after all this time, we are actually listening and opening on a Saturday. That's right, from Saturday, July the 8th at 9 a.m. Bullion Now will be open, level 6, 227 Collins Street, for you to come in and buy from us if you need to sell back to us. If you need to pick up some stuff that you've got in storage with us, you can do that. Although with that last one, just a bit of an asterisk there. You don't have to, but if you can, give us a call a day or two beforehand, 1300 84 84 10, and just say, look, coming in Saturday, I got 3 orders sitting there, or 1 order, or 50 orders sitting with you in your secure storage. Love to pick them up on Saturday when I'm in. That way we can have them all picked and ready and waiting for you when you arrive. So it just makes it a lot faster for you, rather than you coming and saying, I'm here, and then this is my list of things I need picked up, and then we have to go into the secure storage to grab them. So helps us out, but also helps you out, makes it so you're in and out a heck of a lot faster. So don't have to have the appointment, but if you can, that would be great. But the big news is we have listened. We are open on Saturday, July 8th, 9 a.m. till 1 p.m. and hopefully every Saturday following that forever. All right, we'll see you again soon.